In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the time value function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet where you want to work with time values. This function is especially useful when your times are stored as text instead of as true Excel time values. In other words, if something looks like a time on the screen, but Excel is treating it like plain text, time value helps convert it into a format Excel can actually calculate with. The time value function converts a time stored as text into a real Excel time value that can be used in formulas and calculations. This is important because Excel stores time as a decimal portion of a day. So once the text is converted, you can subtract times, add durations, and use other time-based formulas much more reliably. The syntax is very simple: equals time value, open parenthesis, time underscore text, close parenthesis. The time text argument is just a time written as text, such as 2:30 p.m. You can type the text directly into the formula, or you can reference a cell that contains the text time. For a basic conversion example, enter the formula equals time value, open parenthesis, quote, 2:30 p.m., quote, close parenthesis. Excel returns a decimal value representing that time, such as 0.60417. If that result looks unfamiliar, don't worry. That decimal is normal because Excel is showing the underlying time value rather than a formatted clock time. You can also use time value with a cell reference, which is often the more practical option. For example, if cell A2 contains a text time like 8:45 a.m., you can enter equals time value, open parenthesis, A2, close parenthesis. This converts the text in A2 into a true Excel time value. The same approach works for other entries too, like 3:15 p.m., as long as the content in the cell is written as recognizable time text. After using time value, you'll usually want to format the result so it displays as a normal time instead of a decimal. To do that, select the result cell, then press Ctrl and 1 on your keyboard to open the Format Cells window. From there, choose a time format. Once applied, the value will display properly as a time, such as 8:45 a.m. or 3:15 p.m. That's the basic process for using time value in Excel. Convert text-based times into real Excel time values, then format the result so it's easy to read. This makes your spreadsheet cleaner, more accurate, and much easier to use in calculations.